Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings or the specific app you want to change. Once done, confirm your Android version under About Phone so you know which labels and paths to expect. Next, tap the three-dot overflow or the gear icon inside that app to expose menu options. Make sure to distinguish between system settings entries and app-level menus. They look similar but control different things. This gets you to the first actionable place where menu settings can be edited. Once in the menu, choose the category that matches what you want to change: display for layout, notifications for alerts, apps for per app menus, or privacy for permissions. Then interact with toggles, drop-downs, and nested submenus to refine behavior. For example, enable compact menus, change menu order, or disable suggestions. Make settings one at a time and observe the result, because some options require app restart or relogin to take effect. If multiple devices sync, make sure to check account-level preferences as well. Finalize by saving any explicit changes and then test the menu immediately to confirm behavior. If the menu still looks the same, clear the app cache, force stop the app, or restart your device to reload settings. Make sure you aren't being blocked by profile-level restrictions or device admin policies. Finally, check for a system update that might change how menus are presented. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting step is to clear settings app data or reset app preferences, which often restores expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.